Hey, how's it going? I am here to help you with enrolling. So, we're on a new system this semester. This is our second semester to actually be in a new system for enrollment. And with that, there are a few bugs that have worked themselves out, which is good. So, you come to the program with kind of fresh eyes, and you are able to really guide yourselves with the classes that you choose. So let me jump in and show you how to navigate this. So the new system is called Elution, but you will find it under a category called self-service. So if you click on self-service, this will come up. You will need to put in your username and your password. It should be the same as your email. Sign in. If you have trouble getting into that, please reach out to the business office. They will help you. When you want to enroll as a student, you have a few things that should be listed over here. I have a few things that I can do by myself. However, you should have a place where you can enroll. So you'll be able to look at our course catalog. I'm going to look at our course catalog. And you'll find our course catalog under psychology. So this, you can tell what classes we're offering this semester, not only by looking at our course rotation, which I mentioned in the last video, but you can also go into our new enrollment system. And so you'll be able to pull this up. Now, there are some important tricks to remember when you're trying to enroll yourself and trying to look and see how to coordinate your plan of study with what you're actually enrolling into this semester. So first of all, let's select spring. These are filters, so you want to put these on so you don't have all of our classes listed at the same time. So you want to select spring, that filter. So you see there are 37 psychology classes. We're offering 12, I believe, graduate classes this semester. So you want to select on that. So now you're only looking at, as an MCP student, you're only looking at classes that pertain to you. So it really whittles it down and it lets it to be where it's easily digestible and you can see exactly what you need to take. So if this is your first semester, second semester, let me put this next to one of our hypothetical plans of study. So let me go ahead and pull this one up. And I think this is our LPC plan of study, and that's okay. I think I was working with the LADC plan of study earlier. No, this is the LADC plan of study, so that's okay. We can keep working on this one. So we pull this up and put it side by side with the plan of study that we put together. And right off the bat, we see that we need this education seminar, this graduate study seminar. Everybody has to take this. So if you haven't already taken this, do this now. And you're like, well, Taylor, you're in psychology. Yeah. So you need to back out. You need to update the filters. You need to go down to education, select education. The cool thing is you've already selected graduate credits. So here it is, graduate study seminar. So this is very important. So if you just click on this, it may enroll you in a random campus. You don't want to be enrolled in a random campus, especially if you're Alva, Enid, Ponca City, Woodward, somewhere else. You want to select the campus that's closest to you for this class. So here we're taking our plan of study and we're going to enroll ourselves into this graduate study seminar, which is only a Saturday. It's going to be one Saturday in the morning. It usually runs from like 9 to 11:30. It won't even take all day. And so, yeah, you're not getting any hours credit, but it's necessary. It'll help you put your committee, your graduate committee together and let you know what's expected of you as a graduate student. So if you're here on the Enid campus, what you'll want to do, and you'll see Dr. Holliday's teaching it. He's the dean of the graduate school. You select graduate study seminar, and there will be a little blue line down here that says enroll, register. Boom, hit that. Hit that because it will pop up, and if you email me, you can alert me to, hey, Taylor, I'm done. I'm ready to enroll. I've got my plan of study. I'm ready to enter my classes. And so you do this yourself. You can actually start to enroll yourself by using your plan of study. I mean, you guys are professionals now. You're graduate students, and so you can use this to do your thing. You know, create your own schedule. So then you enroll in that. So check mark. Yeah, I got that enrolled. I'm enrolled in spring as far as the graduate study seminar. So if we look at our plan of study, human growth and development is a requirement. So we would go back now over here to psychology. And now we scroll down and we see there's human growth and development. Now, again, we want to make sure we get in the right section. So if you're in Alva, you want to select this Alva campus. If you're in Enid, you want to select this Enid campus. If you're in Woodward, OPSU, if you're out in the Panhandle, you know, whatever pertains to you. So I'm going to click Enid because I'm here in Enid. Again, there'll be like a little blue box that you select. You want to put this into your plan of study. So you align this with the elution system. That's what this is called, the self-service. And then we want to add another one. So we're going to go over to the abnormal psych, advanced abnormal. So that's offered this semester. And you can tell whether you made a mistake in your plan of study because stuff won't show up on the self-service, on the elution enrollment system. So here it is, advanced abnormal psych. So let's go ahead and select that. And again, make sure you're getting the right campus. So I want the Enid campus here. All of you, if you're in the grad program, have already had this or had equivalent. So go ahead and select it because, again, we wouldn't have allowed you in the program unless you meet these prerequisites. So if you have a question on that, please contact me because I know a couple of you are still completing like an undergrad class here and there, but that's okay. So you want to select that. And then it looks like that's all we have on this particular plan. So that would be it, you know. And so at the end of that, when you get done, so let's make this again, you'll be able to see if you pull up your own, it will generate a calendar for you as a student. And so if you mess around with these tabs here, it will generate a calendar and you'll be able to see what your schedule looks like. After you put yourself in these classes, you need to contact me because I have to hit a button and says, hey, boom, you're in it. You're officially enrolled. So it's very easy to do. You can do this yourselves. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the ability to work with you that way. You know, that way if you're on a satellite campus and, and if you have trouble, there's a phone right there, email. I'm right there. I'm available to you to help you. But please use this video and the other videos that I've helped, put this together to help you, create your plan of study, move forward. And that way, when you get to the end of this, there is a form that looks like, go here to resources. Actually, I think it's under forms. That's at the bottom. When you graduate, there'll be this academic worksheet. And this is the official form for the state of Oklahoma. And you'll see on this academic worksheet, there's a human growth and development course. I just enrolled in one. There's an abnormal human behavior course. I just enrolled in one. And so you'll know exactly what's on your plan of study and you'll be able to submit this without any help. You'll be ready to go. Just, fresh out of the gates. You're going to knock it out of the park. So, I didn't even share. Let me share my screen. That I was getting all excited about what I was looking at and you couldn't see it. So let me go back to, let me go back to what I was doing. That's pretty funny. So this is where I went. I went under forms. I get too excited by myself sometimes. Okay, so forms, and then you go down to the bottom, and then here's this State of Oklahoma academic worksheet. Again, this is the actual worksheet that you'll fill out when you apply for licensure. And as I got excited about before, you can see you'll fill out a human growth and development course. You'll see you'll fill out for abnormal human behavior. There are appraisal assessment techniques, our two courses, our counseling theories. We have two courses there, ethics, research. So we have all those things in our plan of study. You'll be able to very quickly convert that over. And because you have the knowledge, because you put yours together, it will be very simple for you when you're done with the program to jump in with both feet and to hit the ground running. So anyway, if you have questions, reach out. I hope this was helpful. I look forward to seeing what you put together. Take care.